In this video, I'm going to show you how to spike in Haikyuu Legends inside Roblox. So the first thing you want to note is that if you go to styles down here inside your lobby, your spiking ability should be as high as possible. So if you can manage to get this up and actually get some lucky spins to actually spin this and make it higher, it's gonna be that much better and you'll be spiking that much more efficiently and that much easier. So if I just spin this over here, let's see what I get. There we go, my spike is better. I just got lucky. So as you can see, this one should be sufficient. Now, what you then want to do after you've done this, of course, you want to enter a match. And then what I recommend is that you play either this position over here or this position over here, which are usually the spiking positions, so the attacker positions. So I'm going to go in this one over here, and the same applies to the other side, of course, so these two zones over here. And if I go in here right now, there we go. What you have to do to spike the ball is that you simply have to wait for it to be in the air and then above the net, and then you just want to jump and then kind of hit it with your left click. As you can see, once I'm in the air, it says spike if I click my left click. So let's see if I can actually get a ball right now before this game ends over here. There we go. There we go. I just missed it. However, if I were to hit it, you'd be able to spike it. So just jump up, left click, and there we go. You've successfully spiked. You're going to have to practice that a bit, and depending on your style, you'll be spiking either more easily or either a bit more difficultly. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.